We're now going to graph r equals 4 sine theta. What we want to do is convert the polar equation into rectangular form. Again, we need to remember how polar and rectangular coordinates are related to each other. Remember, r squared equals x squared plus y squared. X equals r cosine of theta. Y equals r sine of theta. And finally, the tangent of theta is equal to y over x. You need to bear these four relationships in mind whenever we're dealing with polar equations. What I'm going to do to convert this expression into the rectangular form is multiply both sides of the equation by r. Once we do that, it should be apparent why that was a good move, because on the left-hand side, in place of the r squared, I can put x squared plus y squared, and in place of r sine of theta, I can put y. Now, if I subtract 4y from both sides of the equation, I get x squared plus y squared minus 4y equals 0. I'm going to complete the square in y. Take half negative 4 and square it. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. Since I added 4 to the left, I add 4 to the right. Then I get, after I factor, x minus 0 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 4. We should recognize this as a circle whose center is at the point 0, 2, and whose radius is 2. Therefore, we might conclude that the graph of r equals 4 sine of theta is that of a circle whose center is 2 units above the pole and has a radius of 2. Let's go over to the graph. And here we have our graph. Again, center 2 units above the pole with a radius of 2.